Hello students, welcome to Daily English Homework. I have a really interesting homework assignment today. Let's take a look. It says using Youglish. And Youglish is a website. It's not my website and they are not sponsoring this video, but it is an excellent tool to learn about word or common expressions and how often they're used and how to pronounce the words and what's the difference between UK pronunciation and American pronunciation. It's a great website. Let's take a look. I'm going to give you homework about Youglish later. It's very interesting homework, so please watch until the end. All right, so this is Youglish. You just go to youglish.com. I'll put the link below this video. And they have different languages. I do not check other languages except English. And they have US, UK, Australia, Canadian, Irish, Scottish, New Zealand. You can click those, but usually I just focus on these three. But if you want to focus on more, that's okay too. So what do you do? Well, sometimes students ask me questions like, teacher, do I say either or either or neither, neither? So I might come to Youglish and I type in the word either. And it says all countries, but let's just focus on the US. So I'm going to click the US and now it says they have 147,711 videos they found using either or either. So in American English. So, and down here, they're going to highlight the word. So you got to listen and hear that word. So let's listen and listen. Does she say either or either?
Right now, so it's better suited for either really early.
She said either. Okay, let's go on. Next one.
Theater classes. Either way, you're going to.
He said
theater classes. Either way, you're going to.
He said either. Next.
Of your life. There's no rule either.
He said either. So the first two were either. He said either. Next.
Either.
He said either. So we had either, either. In the US, it's about 50-50, the usage. Let's check again.
And increasingly, through either our understanding of...
He said either.
Dose of realism, we wouldn't get anything done either. So,
Obama said either. So we'll go with either. But we could see in the US, okay, a lot of Americans are saying both ways, either, either. Let's check the UK. All right, UK. That's down here. This is what we're listening for.
On either side.
Either.
Faced rather an unpleasant choice. It's almost as though either you accept the...
Either.
He slung braces of pistols on either shoulder.
Either.
And type this in, either now or later.
Either.
To work on that comes through, either around...
Either.
Is spinning, and that'll be either via your computer.
Either. Okay, so right away I can tell just 6 of 16,000 British people usually say either. Okay, so from Youglish I can find out from real people speaking English. In America it's kind of 50-50, either, either, but in the UK certainly they focus more on either. Now if I kept listening, I'm sure I would find some British people that use either, because I know in British English both are acceptable too, but certainly more people in the UK say either. All right. So your homework, let's take a look. This is what I want you to do. Which is the more common expression? All right. So I have 2 expressions here: on the weekend, at the weekend. So I want you to go to Youglish, check these expressions. You could check them all, the world, or you could focus on American. You could focus on British. Or at the weekend. So which one do you think is more common? So again, when you type in a word, it'll tell you how many videos they have. So you can kind of guess that how common a word is by this number. And question 2 is a pronunciation question. Which country more commonly pronounces the t sound in the word often? Now, often has 2 pronunciations. So sometimes there's no T sound, often, and sometimes there's that T sound, often. Both ways are okay. I use both ways. Sometimes I use often, sometimes I use often. I want you to check Youglish. So which country more commonly pronounces the T sound? So does the US pronounce that T sound? Do they say often or often? Does the UK check Australia too? What are they saying? Listen through, 5 to 10, check. Are they saying often or often? Come back and tell me which country you think says often more commonly. All right, so that is using Youglish. I think this is a fun activity for you to practice using Youglish. It's an excellent tool. I use it every day, and I hope you can use it too to help you with understanding the usage of English and how to pronounce English. So do your homework. Good luck. And I'm eager to check it in the comments section. Take care.